Running a business without proper record keeping is just like driving at night with no headlights. You wouldn't know you're heading to a crash until it becomes late. The Nigerian Tax Act is now making sure that there are consequences for businesses that do not do proper record and documentation. This is the video I've been building towards across my entire tax series. Whenever I mention deductions, proving expenses, knowing your turnover, I kept coming back to one single thing, which is bookkeeping. And you need to understand that bookkeeping is very important. It's not something that you leave until your business grows big or until you can afford an accountant. You need to start from day one. It's not possible to be running a business that you cannot see, because money coming in does not mean you're making profits. You can be generating revenue every single day, yet you're running at loss because your expenses are quietly swallowing your profits. When you keep proper records, it tells you a lot about your business, what is coming in, what is going out, and what you have left. Proper record keeping and documentation is also very important under the law, because under the Nigerian Tax Act, your records is what determines whether or not you pay tax, how much you pay, and what deductions you can claim. So if you don't have proper records, it means that you cannot claim deductions. And because you cannot claim deductions, it also means that you're going to pay more tax than you legally owe. So how do you start keeping proper records and documentation? The most basic way to do this is to have at least 3 records. One will be sales records, which talks about every single money coming into your business. The second one will be expenses records, which records or states the expenses, how money leaves, money is going out of your business, even the salaries, maintenance costs, every single thing should go into the expenses record. You should also have a capital record, which talks about the assets which your business owns. You can choose to do this manually by having different books for different records, or you can also decide to do all of these things on a spreadsheet. Just pick one and be consistent with it. Most importantly, separate your personal account from your business account. When you lump everything together, your record mixes up, and then your business account records may not be exactly reliable or even consistent. I hope you found this helpful. See you in my next one.